knocked on the window. He drove in so that we were driver door to driver door, like the FBI do it. He said, "Are you Colm O'Regan?" I says, "Depends, do you have the merchandise?"
Thank you very much. I love you all. We got some hippies, some goddamn pot smoking liberal hippies.
Dad laughs, says he can see that, all right, and then they're gone. I put one of the chicken pies in the microwave and open a tin of baked beans. I sit at the kitchen table to eat. The remains of Dad's sandwich are beside me. Mum's lipstick is on some of the bread.
That might sound great, that's what we've been doing all weekend, visiting the refreshment tent. There was no drink there at all, because O'Connell's movement coincided with the temperance movement, so they were sober affairs.
Of course, make America great again, guys.
Make Stratbally great again.
Make America great again.
Make America great again.
When you don't even need this.